Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest ham you will probably ever make. This is slow cooker brown sugar ham. You can make it in any slow cooker or your crock pot, either way. And it only takes a few simple ingredients and it's ready in just about 4 hours. So the first thing you're going to need is half a cup of melted butter, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey mustard, a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks or tidbits, 5 to 6 pound bone-in smoked ham. So that's a already fully cooked smoked ham. So we are just going to heat it up in the slow cooker. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get all of your ingredients together for the brown sugar rub. So you'll need to combine the melted butter, brown sugar, and honey mustard and just mix that well together and then set it aside while you get your ham ready. So while that's setting aside, go ahead and unpack the ham and you're going to want to rinse and dry it off. And then just place it in your slow cooker and you're going to take that brown sugar mixture and just cover it over the ham. You want to get into all the little nooks and crannies as much as you can. Get all over the ham. It may not cover the entire thing, but you want to really use it well and cover as much as possible. Then you're going to take that can of pineapple chunks or tidbits and you're going to just pour that right over the ham. So as you can see, I'm just pouring that directly over the ham. So it's going to kind of add some liquid to the bottom. You do not want to drain it. You want the liquid in the crock pot. And then you're going to go ahead and cover and cook this on low for 4 hours. So as you can see in this picture, I've got all of my pineapple there on the bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook that. So the internal temperature needs to be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You can check that with a meat thermometer. And remember, you are using a fully cooked ham, so you're simply warming this up. And as you can see here, all that pineapple is going to give it such a great flavor. And this is how you make slow cooker ham. So you can immediately slice it and serve it. This is a great way to make your ham for a holiday dinner or a special occasion such as Easter or Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. It's a great way to free up the oven because you'll have your ham going while you can do all your side dishes in the oven. So this is a super easy way to do this. You can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. I hope you like and share this, and be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in today.